Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with essentials and the first actions you must take now. Power the iPhone off and remove the two bottom screws, then open the display like a book. You're protecting the original Face ID harness. Once done, disconnect the battery first, then the display connectors in sequence to avoid shorting. You should visually inspect the Face ID flex cable and dot projector housing for damage or misalignment. Make sure the replacement screen's bracket and sensor holes line up precisely before proceeding to reassembly. Once the hardware is in place, reassembly requires patience and exactness. Reseat the dot projector and IR sensor so they sit flush in their factory pockets, even a 0.5 mm gap can break Face ID. Reconnect the display connectors, then the battery, and snug screws without over-torquing to prevent panel warp. Boot the device and go to Settings. Check Face ID setup availability to see if True Depth recognizes sensors. If setup begins, follow on-screen prompts to register your face properly under consistent lighting and angle. Finish by running Face ID setup and perform 2 complete scans, turning your head slowly so the system captures full contours. This ensures reliable matches. If iOS reports Face ID unavailable, restart and retry, then try a restore or DFU mode to rule out software corruption. If problems persist, make sure you didn't miss a connector or damage the secure enclave chip. That hardware fault requires board-level repair. Remember, software fixes first, then recheck physical alignment, and only escalate to micro-soldering if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.